Hello, precious family. Welcome back to Glorious and Rasia Kitchen. Mami Mobi Biara Akwaba. So today I have a guest in my kitchen, and her name is Legit Carlin. She's also a YouTuber, so you can check her out later. That's her YouTube channel's name, Legit Carlin. And she's doing the cooking, just simple one. So today she's making us delicious buffalo chicken dip. This is chicken breast, and cleaned already, so she's now seasoning it with some spices. Is it what is the spices you have here? Show them. Okay, so what's the spices? Paprika, what?
Paprika, cayenne,
Mm-hmm.
onion, ginger,
Okay, so
black pepper, salt, and Cajun,
okay,
and white pepper.
Mm-hmm. So what are you doing? Seasoning?
Yeah, seasoning it.
Okay. And she have some shredded cheese here. She did it herself. She bought it the block and she shredded it herself.
So I put the chicken in after seasoning both sides for 375 for 25 minutes. So now I'm putting 1 block of softened room temperature cream cheese. Okay, so you put down your bowl. Some Frank's Red Hot, and we're gonna pour about a cup into the bowl. You can add it depending on how spicy you like it. So now I'm gonna mix on low. You can also mix this with your hand, with a spoon. So now that our Red Hot and our cream cheese are mixed together nicely, we're gonna add some Hidden Valley Ranch. You can add the seasoning packet, but I didn't find it. And you can also use blue cheese if you like that, but I don't like blue cheese, so we're gonna do ranch. Just gonna put some inside. Our chicken is banned. Then you just let it mix. I wash my hands and I'm just gonna mix all my cheeses together. I use Colby Jack, mozzarella, and smoked Gouda. And then you're gonna take 3/4 of your cheese and put it in your mixer. Okay, so now you're gonna shred your chicken, and if you don't have a mixer to shred it, then I'm gonna show you how to do it with 2 forks. You're just gonna hold one side of the chicken with 1 fork, and then the other side you're gonna pull at it. Skills. You see, you shred your chicken like that. I'm just gonna do that to all of them. Okay. Okay, guys, so it's a bit of a workout, but we're almost done. And it looks very nice and shredded. So if you don't have a machine, or you on a budget, just take your 2 forks and go. So I just finished shredding all the chicken here with just 2 forks, guys. It's very simple and easy. And now we're gonna put it in our mixer. We're gonna put our chicken inside. Okay. You're gonna put everything inside.
Everything inside. Okay. Going.
Now we're just gonna turn on the mixer and mix it, and you want it to sound nice and creamy. That's how you know you did it right.
By the way, a bank coin being so puzzle serious.
Now I'm gonna take this and put it into my glass pan. You can put it into an aluminum foil pan as well. So I put everything into my pan, and this is how it looks from the side. Now I'm gonna add the rest of our cheese. I also shredded more cheese because, you know, I love cheese. So we're just gonna sprinkle that on top and cover the whole entire thing. Okay, this is the finishing product, and we're gonna put it in the oven at 375 for about 20 minutes or until the cheese melts. It's out of the oven. The cheese is all melted, and you see it browning on the sides. That's another indicator that it is finished, and it smells so good. I smell the Gouda cheese. I smell the the Colby Jack cheese and the mozzarella. They all smell so nice together.
Smells good and it sounds good and looks delicious.
Yes, and you see the chicken, the shredded chicken down there. So now we're gonna dip it and try it. Are invited. I have these tortilla chips from Aldi. It says hint of lime and it has a zesty flavor. So we're gonna use that to go in the dip. Okay. Wow, look at that. Cheese pull. Guys, see that?
Yes.
It's nice and hot. See that?
You tasting for them?
Yep. Here's your bite. Mmm.
Yummy, yummy.
It's so good. The flavors are bursting in my mouth. Mmm.
This girl will kill me.
Mmm. Yummy. So guys, go make this and try it for yourself. It's so good.
But you can use crackers to eat it, right?
Yep, you can use crackers too. We got crackers over here. You could just put it on it like how the picture shows. And eat it if you don't want like chips. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and turn on the notification bell. Turn on the notification bell and make sure you share it with your friends, okay? Okay, bye. Eating my fried plantain.
Glorious Ahombrasia kitchen na esias medjumedi we say ebremu. Abusia obetimi akọ on YouTube page Glorious Ahombrasia kitchen obetimi asho spellings ni ye na ade a omo ye and same onwa enuane ahodo and local dishes, foreign dishes, healthy cooking and na oye enuane a wonti bidin da and na omo noa e page ni. So make us say uye bema, uye student, uye school mu anasa onya nware ye eja esujani unyo bebe no aduane ama obetimi akọ on YouTube channel no so no ahwese no se no anuane ahodo na so wahwe bi na wasua na wano ne kama na numbers na go screen so betumi afa na emom no menfre test no se help bi e na ohia test no be reply ma kama na aduane kra pese onu ano Gloria etimi aboa amoa no kama na yenkoi na